Here are my 3 favorite tips to how to improve how you feel about yourself and about your life, and overall just make you feel better. Tip number 1, very important. Say no to one thing today that you actually do not want to do. Are you obligated to, perhaps you feel like you're obligated to go see a friend or call somebody you don't really feel like talking to? Simply excuse yourself from that. Remember, you will not do them the best service if you call them and you don't really feel like doing this. Trust me, I've done that. It is very important that you stay true to yourself and follow your heart and your gut instinct about what you're supposed to do in your private life. Again, I'm not talking about your work obligations. Of course, those we all have to fulfill daily. However, I'm talking about things in your life that are not mandatory, right? Like going to see a movie or going to meet somebody for dinner. If you don't feel like it, please simply don't do this. You will feel better at the end of the day. Both you and the other person will win. Remember, every time you say no to something you don't want to do, you actually improve your self-respect and you improve your self-love. And when you have better self-respect and better self-love, you will feel better. I promise you this. Number 2 is very important as well. It is the opposite of the first one. Think about what would really bring you joy today and do it. So think about it. Is it perhaps watching a movie you have not seen in a while and you really like? Is it going to get this ice cream that you really love, that maybe is on the other side of town but would really make you feel good? Trust me, I've done it. I've driven 20 minutes to get the ice cream. I know I can only get it at this one place, and it brings joy and it gives me satisfaction, and that I take care not only of my soul but also of my body. This is a healthy ice cream, I should note. Or perhaps you want to talk to a friend you haven't talked for a while, and that's a friend that actually is good for your soul and makes you feel good about yourself and about life. Do that. Call that friend. Think about something that would bring you joy and do it. That is tip number 2. And tip number 3 is also very important. Take 5 to 10 minutes every day and envision your future exactly how you would like it to see it, without any how it's going to happen, without any oh it will never happen for me, oh it's not possible. Remove all the negative narrative from your envisioning of your future and focus only on the positive. Forget the how it's going to happen, only try to envision it. And when you envision it, see yourself in it. See yourself entering this house that you want. See yourself with the person you want to be with, or going on this amazing vacation. Envision it and think about it. I like to do it at night because when you fall asleep, this is what really saturates your mind and this is what you will dream about. So here's a quick recap of our 3 steps for today. Number 1, say no to something you want to do. Number 2, do one thing you actually do really your soul wants to do today. And number 3, envision your future exactly how you like it. This is the tip for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.